So let's talk about the king of memes, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is sitting at 20 cents, 20.5. And believe it or not, today it went down and it hit the area of 20 cents. Now, if you remember, I don't know how many times I talked about 24 cents, that we need 2 daily closings above the area of 24 cents. One candle with the body would close above it, second would drop, one would close above it, and the second would drop. We didn't get 2 candles. And I think that after that, I pretty much stopped making Doge videos. I'm not making it on daily basis because Doge is very obvious and is very clear to follow through. There is no need to cover it on daily basis. And I told you that if it is not able to capture the 24 cents area, then there is no journey towards 26.5. We made an attempt towards 26 cents, but 26.5 is, it looks like it is out of question. And of course, 30 cents is altogether out of question. And the only thing that you can expect is for Dogecoin to go down and hit the area of 20 cents. So successfully, we have gone down and we have hit the area of 20 cents. So congratulations on that part. If you are a Dogecoin lover, you would have gone and purchased it thinking that you are missing out. Why does 20 cents matter so much? Well, you have a double bottom structure. 20 cents is the neckline. Right now it came back, it again tested this neckline. Now it's the moment of truth for Dogecoin. If Dogecoin loses this area, you should prepare for the 10 cents and 8 cents. It sounds exaggerated, but the thing is, it will take its sweet time, just like it took its sweet time for the dropping of 20 cents. From the overall 24 cents, at that moment it looked like that, okay, now it's going to hit 30 cents, now it's going to hit 30 cents, but of course it didn't, it came down. Similarly, once it loses the area of 20 cents, which is to close 2 daily candles with the bodies below the area of 20 cents, that is considered to be area lost. If that happens, then you should prepare that it is going to go towards 10 cents. It will be slow, painful process. First it will go towards 15 cents, then it will be a journey towards 10 cents with a wick towards 8 cents. All that will happen. It can take weeks, but the thing is, we will be mentally prepared that now if it loses the area of 20 cents, after that, if it does pump, we will consider them to be fake pumps, because of course for conquering we would like it to close above 20 cents for more than 2 days. First we lose, then we conquer it back. At this stage we haven't lost, so there is still hope. Maybe it just reverses from 20 cents here, shoots up towards 24, and maybe this time we hit 26.5. That possibility is there. I'm just talking about the possibility. If we lose 20 cents, what will happen? If we don't lose, we still remain hopeful. This is the last support of bullishness for Dogecoin. 20 cents is the last straw. If this is lost, then things will become horrible for Dogecoin. If it is not lost, first aim 24 cents, then 26.5, then 30 cents, and that's it. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.